Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I was kind of working on editing some of the videos, and then a cool thing occurred. One of the items I've been waiting for has showed up, and I thought I'd show you guys what it is. So I just received the pudding keycaps by HyperX that I've been planning on tossing onto my trusty RK68, which is a 65% keyboard. Honestly, amazing keyboard for a relatively cheap price. Highly recommended. And so let's talk about the keyboard for a minute, right? It allows you to connect both wired using Type-C connections as well as wireless through to 5 devices marked by QWERT. And it has a couple of different glows, which are pretty nice, I guess, but I usually stick with the normal flowing rainbow effect. It's got software as well for you to use it and alter, but honestly I've never used the software. I installed it once and then just deleted it because it was kind of useless to me. Most of the setups that you would care about would be on the keyboard itself. You can change the speed of the RGB, the brightness of the RGB, and because it's a 65% keyboard, you'd expect a couple of functions, a couple of buttons to not be there. But I think for me, probably the weirdest button that I had an issue finding for a long time was the tilde button, and it turns out to be right on the very corner of the keyboard. I'm not sure if you guys can see it. Maybe you can, yeah, right over there. And so yeah, so let's swap the keycaps. Have a montage going, and then we can talk after that. For now, I guess I'll show you the keyboard, how it looks like with normal RGBs, and yeah, let's go. So, as you guys can see, I did run into a problem with a couple of the keys. Shift. This shift is smaller, and so is the Alt function and the control on the right side of the keyboard. So I had to stick with the original keycaps. Besides that, as you guys noticed, it looks like the HyperX Pudding keys are a little tighter on the switches itself, and so whenever I had to pull them off, it was very likely to pull out the switch itself as well. So be super careful with that, and be super careful with putting it back. Take care of the pins at the bottom. If they get damaged, you're kind of screwed. So you got to take care on that perspective. But besides that, we've got a clean installation, I would say. I mean, they definitely pop up like a sore thumb, but what to do? Now let's switch it on. Yeah, I mean, it is definitely bright, and the RGB is definitely visible. I would say probably at nighttime it would fare better, maybe. Let me show you from this perspective as well.